Hello everyone, welcome to TestingAdda. I am Krishan Chawla and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to launch Firefox browser using Selenium WebDriver. In case if you are looking to use Google Chrome or IE browser for your test automation, I'll provide link to those videos in the description box below. Let's get started with our tutorial. To begin with, we need to know few basic points. Starting with Selenium 3, Mozilla has taken over the implementation of Firefox driver with Gecko driver. The newer driver for Firefox is called Gecko driver, which works with Firefox 48 and newer. Since the Firefox WebDriver is under development, the newer the Firefox version, the better the support. Now, let's get started by downloading Gecko driver. In order to download Gecko driver, we must be aware of our Firefox version. I'll go ahead open my Firefox. Click on Settings, Help, About Firefox. I am running on 75.0 version for 64-bit. I'll go ahead open Google Chrome and type download Gecko driver. You will be able to see the GitHub page for Gecko driver releases. Once you open the link, you will be able to see all the available versions of Gecko driver. Here, we will be using version 0.26.0. This is suitable for our Firefox version. I'll go ahead scroll down and choose Gecko driver for Windows 64. Once the driver is downloaded, unzip the driver. You will get geckodriver.exe. Copy this file into your project folder. I have created a drivers directory. I'll go ahead place the Gecko driver here. Now our first part is complete. Let's begin with coding. Open IntelliJ by going to Start, IntelliJ. Now I'll go ahead create a new class by right clicking the package, new, Java class, and name it as T3_Launch Firefox. Here we have the new class. I'll go ahead create a new method, public void tc1 launch Firefox. This is our test method. I'll go ahead annotate it with @test that comes from org testng annotations. Now launching a Firefox browser is again two-step process. Steps to launch Firefox browser. First one is to set the path to the executable Gecko driver. Set the path to executable Gecko driver, and the second one is to instantiate the Firefox driver. Firefox driver. Now let's get started by setting up the path to the executable Gecko driver. In order to do it, type system.setProperty, which accepts a key and a value. The key for the Gecko driver is webdriver.gecko.driver, and we'll place the path of the executable file here. I'll go ahead take out the path by shift plus right click, copy as path and paste it here. Remove the double quotes and our first step is done. Now we need to instantiate the Firefox driver. In order to do it, we'll type webdriver driver is equals to new Firefox driver, We'll go ahead import this, alt plus enter. Now we'll open a URL using driver.get http www.testingadda.com and take out the title using string website title is equals to driver.getTitle. This method will return me the title to the website title variable. I'll go ahead print this variable system.out.println website title plus website title. Now our code to launch Firefox browser is complete. Let's try executing it by right-click the class and run. We'll wait for the code to compile. Here we can see the Firefox browser is launched successfully and our website is also open. The test case is passed. Let's check the module. One of when test case is passed, we'll click on this test case and scroll down. Here we can see the website title. Our tutorial to launch Firefox browser is now complete. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button.